What is the sound of the cat? What is the sound of the motorcycle? Boom, 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 boom. What is the sound of the car? Mark, what is the sound of the car? Beep, beep. What is the sound of the car? I didn't listen to mommy.
Morning guys! Kakagising lang namin. Alam yung batang makulit. Come here, dali, come here. Kakagising lang niya. Yan, yung si Ellie. Ew! Bumili ng bed frame guys kasi sobrang likot ni Mark. Kasi pag bumili ako, tawag to? Mataas, baka siya, malaglag. Kaya, nilapag na lang namin yung kama, hindi ako bumili. Tapos, hindi ko siya binibilhan ng bed niya kasi baka hindi niya tulugan. Kasi malikot si Mark, siya, nag-roll over ng roll. Stop! Over. Ew! Look at your nose. Ew! Morning! Oh no! Ew! Palagi siya nagsabing, oh no, ew. Bye! Ubo ka pa rin. Oh no! Can you say oh no? Oh no, baby. Can you say oh no? Oh no? Oh no! What do you wanna say? Put your pants. Put your pants. Oh no! Good morning, Daddy. Okay. Portrait tayo kasi malamig. No. Come here. Come here. Tapos yan, ako guys. Come here then. Let's go. We're gonna eat our Ricky. Come here. We're gonna eat tali. Okay, Mom is gonna watch Fox News, okay?
Ayan po yung mga bees. Bakit po sila?
Like this. We were very concerned. We were in a dangerous, hostile, unknown environment. But over time, the big safety first placards, and unlike the teacher in Charlie Brown,
Cooking some, sweet potato.
and you stop listening.
You open the...
Important than your safety is the very
Pagdating ng asawa ko guys, bibili kami ng bagong supa. Kasi yung supa, masyado ng daming rips. Tapos darating yung in-laws ko, nakakahiya. Kaya we're gonna buy new supa. And I'm very excited to see my husband now.
So, on their safety briefings on your new show, you've got one of the biggest digital shows.
Milk tea. Hindi na ako nag-smoothie. Kailan kaya itong expiration ng...
comfortable. When I say everybody, I like the right kids.
That's all you got. So, let's start wine.
Want fish? Yeah. Dali. Go get your favorite steak. Oh.
Tell me how you started your business. You came back from
You don't want to eat your breakfast with mommy?
Did you always have an idea to do this?
No, this is actually it was a long journey. Like I had to find myself in a lot of different ways. I got my MBA from London Business School, and that taught me a lot. Obviously, and it taught me also that what we learned in the military was actually incredibly helpful getting out there, and we work much harder than anybody else, and that's what's needed to launch a company and to launch a new product and get started off the ground.
I think you make a really good point because Drew, it's true. I mean, you come back from
Hindi pa ako guys nag-groceries. No?
You've got courage.
First week ng...
All of the things that
Hindi pa ako pupunta ulit sa SNR. So, pag makapunta ko sa SNR, kami pala, bibili kami ng maraming groceries again.
understand it's a whole new dimension. So when you do start your business, PTSD is a phrase that is thrown around today, kind of more modern language. I just chalk it up to purpose takes serious determination. And I really think that if you have a purpose in life, ours on Letters happens to be authenticating digital communications.
Hi, say hi.
Great
Oh no.
Just be on the show with fellow veterans like
Oh
I want to zero in on
no.
the businesses and ask you really what the focus is. And
Ay,